Hello everybody, I'm glad to be here after all these years. I've been a Prestashop developer since 2015 and I'm the CEO of Technical Institute and Biela.dev. Biela.dev, it's a vibe coding platform. It helps you build software at the speed of thought. You just write what you want and artificial intelligence will write the code for you. It's called vibe coding, by the way. It's not Elementor or Wix where you drag and drop things around. You just tell it. You can write or you can even speak to it and it will do anything. And I mean it. This makes shipping the product much faster than the traditional way. Biela.dev can build in hours what a team of developers can build in months. And by the way, it's available 24/7. What this has to do with Prestashop? If you ask this, it's a legit question. We have successfully created, and we will share with you, by the way, an entire new custom frontend made in modern technology like React or Next.js that you can customize with the help of AI. The frontend connects to your Prestashop with a module that the same AI also generates. This means that even if you want extra functionalities that don't exist on the standard module that we offer, or even that don't exist in Prestashop, with Biela you can build them. Just type what you want, then Biela will create them. The steps of building with Biela are very simple. You can start from scratch to build anything, and I really mean anything, or you can continue from the template we prepared for Prestashop. If you want to go with the second option, you go to Biela.dev/Prestashop, you follow the instructions to import the project that we already prepared for you, and that's it. Then you have to download the module from the same page, you install it in your Prestashop like you install any Prestashop module, and from there you just move to step 3. It's just telling the AI what you want. If you want a new slider on the homepage, if you want to change the color, if you want a new field on the checkout, basically anything Biela will do. Why should you do that? Well, an entirely new frontend means a fresh user interface that follows industry latest standards. If you want to customize it, you just have to tell the AI what you want. You have infinite possibilities. You just imagine it and Biela.dev will code it for you. Last but not least, it will save you a lot of money. It will cut development costs by more than 90%, and you can launch new features in minutes instead of days. What else can you do with Biela.dev? Well, you can create custom modules, and we have users of our platform that build Prestashop modules months before this presentation, so months before we announced any connection with Prestashop. Secondly, you can customize it entirely with AI. This means infinite possibilities and lightning fast changes. You can build custom landing pages that load instantly. You can integrate third-party apps with no code writing skills. By the way, you integrate the Google Tag Manager on the front end with one single prompt. You can even integrate PayPal or the marketer or whatever you want, it will work. Or if you need a CRM for your business or anything for your business, like a stock management system or anything, you can build with Biela. The AI will handle all the work and custom development. It will handle maintenance. It will handle anything. But if you want to switch to the old way of building something, to the traditional way where you hire a team of developers, you can also do this. You can go back whenever you want because the code is available. It's very well written, and you can modify yourself, or you can hire a team of developers. What's next? Well, we are working on a module that will add Biela.dev in your Prestashop back office. Basically, you will be able to modify your storefront just by typing something in the back office. It's that simple. And we are also working on another feature that will allow you to build custom modules from the back office with the same AI. I told to some of you already know me that after the presentation, we will have, by the way, it's the show. We will have a workshop. So we will modify it together. We will say it's very, very simple. So this is the store. It's multi-language, by the way. So what you see here, it's connected to a Prestashop store with an API that Biela created. It's a module, you install it, and this custom front office will connect to your store. And here you have, for example, some products, some categories, a very nice slider here. You can go to this product. You can change the dimensions, the color, the picture will also change the quantity. You add it to the cart. You go to the basket if you want. And here we have a really nice checkout. That I think it's better than the original one, by the way, because one of the main things that people change after installing Prestashop, it's putting one-page checkout module. Who does that? Who has a Prestashop store and put one-page checkout module? One people. Okay. So, for example, if I put my name here, I get this really nice picture that announces me that I already have an account and I have to sign in. I do it. I can use some existing addresses as Prestashop originally has. I choose my carrier, choose my payment method. We can put payment here, by the way. And that's it. It's a very simple way of buying something on a store, and that's how it should be. That's simple. Now, going back to Biela, or we give it 15 seconds to load. You will see why we have to wait.
This is the shop that showed us before.
Yeah, it's the same shop, but this time it's in a special environment that allows you to modify the help layer.
You connect over FTP or
No, it can if you ask for modifications that require modifications of the module, you can configure your FTP credentials in the env file I will show you. And it can automatically upload the module. It's very simple. So now we have the same store that you saw before. It's exactly the same one, but now we can tell the AI to do a modification. Like for example, any idea from what we want to modify?
So go with
This is pretty hard, okay.
we had a website.
But it might take 1 minute or two because it has to go through all the pages to implement.
and product reviews somewhere.
Product reviews, okay. We will add product reviews on the homepage and then we will go to product page. Okay. So I will tell the AI add a section with customer reviews on the homepage. I want it as a slide. Let's see. I think we have a button.
So is it English or
No, you can talk in write in any language of the international circulation, even Romanian, Spanish, French, German, whatever. And you can even talk. There is a microphone button down here, and you will be able to tell with your voice to the AI what to do. So this is not really typing. I swear. You have a question?
Yeah.
Please.
How difficult it is to do something wrong?
It does. How easy? Yeah, it's very easy. The AI is not a perfect technology as developers. We also do mistakes. The AI also does mistakes. The thing is that the AI can correct itself. Sometimes you have to tell it to correct. Sometimes it corrects itself without those messages. But it does mistakes a lot of times.
can I edit the code? Because you said you're not touching it, but
Yeah, you can edit the code if you want, but you don't.
I don't need the
Well,
code.
I think it will take a few more seconds. If you see an error on the screen, don't worry, it will fix. No errors. Okay,
You were review.
so we have. That's better. I recognize you. I don't know if they have a mistake that it does all the times because it's lazy. If you are using a multi-language environment, it does not translate all the languages automatically. And we will see it in the results. You say this is still Romanian, but what I need to do to make it in English, it's just say the reviews, the section, is not translate. Translate.
I have another idea.
Please.
Tell it to bring in more customers.
If we connect with the marketer,
And we pay them.
yes. Okay, now it's generating the translations for Romania, then for English, then for Spanish. This store has 3 languages. Activate. But you can activate more.
And how do I add my product? Because it's an e-commerce store, right?
Very interesting question. Well, you log in your Prestashop store as you do normally. For example, you saw the order that I did earlier. Well, the back office is still Prestashop. So you go here, the orders, sadly, if you the page, it's this one.
And the zero section is still here.
Sorry,
If I have a marketing,
company.
allow something, so, yeah. the
Yeah,
zero
you just change the images.
So it's like the special, yeah.
If you want, it can be in the Prestashop. Like you tell the AI to build a configurable hero section of the exactly. Yes, I would show you is a GUI button automatically connects to your domain. You will have to change the DNS set the domain. You just click on the GUI button and it's on your domain.
It modify also the functionality of the back office,
Uh,
or it works only for front office?
This template specifically does not modify the functionalities of the back office, but you can tell the AI to create in the module, in the same module that it creates for you, some hooks that you would use in the back office. And this way you can modify the back office. Okay, so let's go to Spanish. Okay, we don't have all the strings translated. Remember, I told you that sometimes it does mistakes. Yeah, but most of them are okay. And if I want this translated, let's say I just tell it to translate this. It's that's it. You had a question?
Yeah, while we were waiting, I was about to ask about the pricing.
The pricing. Well, we have packages starting from 29 euros per month, let's say, which will allow you to do on this specific the how AI works. Well, it's basically something that is called a context window with a maximum capacity, for example, 1 million tokens. One token equals, for example, 3 or 4 characters. It depends on the wording that you use. For the AI to be able to modify the stuff, it will have to send the whole project to the AI, and the AI will output will give you back the modifications it has to do to achieve what you want. So for this specific project, which is a pretty big one, each prompt will take approximately, I don't know, $2-3 or even more if your project goes even bigger. The package of 29 dollars or euros will allow you to do 10-15 prompts depending on the applications that you want. But then you can buy, you can top up your token balances. You can build it on phone.
I see you have a free account as well.
Yeah, we have free accounts as well. If you join our Telegram and Discord communities, you can get 5 million tokens for free, basically. So we go to the product page to build the reviews. Or any other idea, something else that you want to build?
What about the templates? Those are predefined, you can change them or
So we offer you one template that you can use to modify code. Like let's take something, for example, let's change the main color to blue, let's say. Schimbă culoarea principală din portocaliu în albastru.
Merge la și Prestashop.
Nu, merge cu absolut orice. Poți să faci orice. Noi oferim suport pentru Prestashop prin template-ul ăsta, dar dacă aveți un e-commerce, de exemplu, puteți să vă bateți capul și să faceți. Să bănuiesc că nimeni de
Deci, practic, cum l-ai conectat?
printr-un modul de Prestashop pe care tot AI-ul generează. O să-ți arăt imediat. Ok, uite, de data asta nu a schimbat culoarea principală, vezi? Deci, deodată mai face chestii de genul ăsta. Ea insiști și la un moment dat o să facă treaba asta.
ce model folosești?
Ce model? Cloud, Sonnet 4.5 și Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini...
O să schimbi între ele.
O să le spun. Unde să-ți arăt făbunul? Arată. Și chiar aici. Și e generat pe AI și e în parte. Ok, mai începem cu culoarea sau aveți alte idei?
Nu vreau să. Că ne mănâncă tokenii și...
Astăzi fac eu și asta.
Ca și cu avocat, îi dai drumul, contorul merge.
If I want to find another step, yes, first I need to add it in Prestashop, then I just tell the AI to add it.
modification on the checkout page.
Yeah.
It can be done.
The checkout page is
Any field, if you add supplementary fields, it
Yes.
will be on the order in the back office.
if you tell the AI to build the necessary hooks for it, yes,
Ah,
it
okay.
can do it.
Yeah, so you must take care about the hooks. So you need some
Yes.
more advanced
Yeah. For simple things,
knowledge about what
that's
you
the
need to ask.
It's very simple things. It's very simple to create something or to modify something. More complex things, you don't need coding knowledge, but you need to have a knowledge of how it should be done.
Okay, can you do fast this last example of in the checkout process, one specific field that will
If you
be
want, let's say after the
okay.
because it may take 30 minutes or 40 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it can take. I have not done this before, so we will.
Okay. Okay, no.
Please.
Can you tell him to look for certain modules, for example, the marketer?
No, it doesn't.
I mean, to do kind of review or reverse engineer of that and reuse the data that is using that module.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Or it could be done with some advanced knowledge. You would have to
Okay.
send it the module to ask it to check where the data is being saved or sent, and to ask it to put a hook there. Let's say that will also save the data in your own database, but this would also require changes on their module. Anything? Change the how?
Can you add more sizes? Add another like an XS maybe?
Yeah, but this is done in Prestashop.
Oh,
We have to do it in the back office. So whatever products or sizes or prices you have there, you will see it in these products. But it's a nice idea. I think it would be cool to have an AI to modify products for you, right? It would be nice. Dark mode. Okay.
Să ne zici că-ți tocă de la.
I tell you, this is no simple things. We can build anything else. While this codes, we can build anything else.
Poate dai mai multe.
Yeah, you can give it to us. So, for example, let's tell the AI to build a landing page for
Black Friday.
Black Friday. Okay, this will be outside of the Prestashop. This is a new project.
Give it
For
give it a specific niche.
A specific niche. Okay, for Black Friday for shoes. Let's go. So this has no connection to the Prestashop. It's entirely separate. Because I told you can build CRMs, you can build everything. Shoes for rain. We can change the prompt after to make the shoes for rain.
So the output will be an HTML page or
No, it would be React or Next.js if you specify Next.js. Any other ideas? We can build more. Just tell me. Why you does it?
try with the new customers.
Making new customers, right? I told you a lot of changes for them.
Does this have the ability to tell you approximately how long will it take to modify what you told it to?
It doesn't have. I haven't thought about this, but I think
At least
it would
broad.
be nice to have send you an SMS.
Da, sunt anunțuri.
The market when it's done. Okay, so we have it's not rainy shoes, but it's nice shoes, right? Yeah, this is from scratch. Yeah. But if you do the same code for the first Prestashop, I think it will be. Yeah, see, I told you the AI is lazy, so we didn't build the functionality on something. So if you just tell it from it will add it for the camera. Okay, let's see the dark mode.
Hello, George. How was the event?
Well, I had a lot of emotions. I was very nervous, but I think they liked it.
I think it turned out amazing. So you felt pretty good on stage. Are you gonna do it again?
Yes, I think I will do it again.
That's awesome. What happens now?
What happens now? Well, we will upgrade the Prestashop, our solution for Prestashop to be even better. we will integrate it in Prestashop space, and we will be able to modify it for benefit.
That sounds amazing. Thank you, George.
You're welcome.